My hair looks terrible, but whatever. Hey guys, it's Barbs, and today's video is my Boxycharm video for the month of March. So I am a little stuffy because my allergens are really kicking in. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This month I did not get a card in the box. I had to look all this stuff up on my phone again like I did last month. So hopefully the prices are right and everything. So the first product in the box is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for the Eyes. And this retails for $70. Murad has never been a brand that I cared anything about. I'm not gonna buy this again, but I did try it out right before I put my makeup on, and it was kind of like a thick moisturizer. I ended up putting too much on my fingers, so I put it all over my whole face. It felt nice. It wasn't super greasy or anything, but I personally prefer a more gel-based moisturizer, and I don't typically use a different moisturizer for my eyes just because I'm like, moisture is moisture. Definitely not worth $70, and I don't think Murad is cruelty-free anyway. The next product in the box is the Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Yogurt Hair Mask. I think I've actually heard of this brand before. I think it was like really big at some point, or maybe I had a friend that liked it. I really don't remember. I'll have to try it out. I wasn't about to wash my hair today just for this. You just apply it on your hair and leave it in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes and then you rinse. So I think it's like in place of a conditioner, which I'm always down for. And this brand is cruelty free, so that's really exciting. I love getting cruelty free stuff in the box. It says it retails for $14, but that's for the big tub of it. So I would assume this is more like $10 or something like that. So it's really, really affordable, which is awesome. The next product in the box is this Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So we've actually gotten the Green Clean Makeup Cleansing Balm in the box before. It's actually a smaller size. This is a full-size product. The original one retails for $34, and I would assume this would retail for $34 as well, but it is exclusively made for Boxycharm, so you can't go and buy it. I did really like the Green Clean one, so I'm excited to have another one of these. And it does come with like a little spatula, which is really nice because the one I have doesn't, and I just have been sticking my finger in there. Curious about the cherry smell because I'm not usually a big fan of cherry. Yeah, it smells a little bit like cough syrup. I still actually have the other one and I haven't used it up yet, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this or give this away to a friend just because of the smell alone. I don't have to use products like this every single time that I take my makeup off, so, and I know that the product will work well. Just the scent for me is not my favorite. But something we could actually try on. This is the Hank and Henry Living in Color eyeshadow palette. This retails for $27. We've gotten Hank and Henry in the box before. It's a pretty affordable brand from what I can understand. And I've liked their lip balms and their eyeliners that I've gotten from them. This is what the palette looks like. Super pretty. The pans are kind of small, and I think that this is really thick for really no reason. I just know that the pans don't go all the way down to the bottom. Honestly, I'm gonna give this away to a friend. I just don't like the packaging that much. I don't like the way it's laid out, and I have all of these colors in other palettes, so I mean, I'm gonna try it out today, but I'm probably just gonna use these neutral shades because I actually do have some errands to run today. I do like the brand Hank and Henry, but I have way too many eyeshadow palettes. I don't need to keep more eyeshadow palettes than I need. This is the completed look, and of course I added mascara. I think the look turned out fine, but I also think that the palette was not that good. It was a little patchy when I was trying to blend it out. This exact color is in Kathleen Light's Zodiac palette, so I just pass on that. We can get that one. It's more affordable actually than this one, and it's way better. So not my fave, definitely gonna be passing this along to a friend. So the last product in the box is this Vintage by Jessica Lebiskin, I don't know. This is a sparkling lip gloss, and I got mine in the shade Pink Sequin. Retails for $25. So I'm just gonna put it on my bare lips. I'm not gonna put anything on first. Right off the bat, I do not like this kind of wand on lip glosses. It's like a brush and not like a doe foot, but we'll see. This is making my lips look wet, almost like a latex look, but it's not super sticky. Like, I don't hate it, but I did not like the applicator. I don't like the brush tip applicators like that. I just feel like they get gross really quickly. To say that it's pink, it looks clear to me. I look like I have really thick oil all over my mouth. Yeah, it looks like an oil. It looks like a lip oil. Honestly, not my favorite either. This is such a negative video. But the overall value of the box was $132. Most of it was obviously that eye cream, which I could take or leave. I would have just left it. I wasn't obsessed with this month's box. I'll be honest, here lately I haven't been falling in love with the Boxycharm stuff. I have a lot of makeup that I don't even use, so I end up giving away a lot of the box. Like, I feel like this month I'm gonna be giving away almost the entire box. So I think this is gonna be my last Boxycharm video. It sucks to say, I think I'm gonna be unsubscribing from Boxycharm. I don't need to be receiving more makeup every month in the mail. I'm spending $25 on the box every month, and I could be using the $25 to buy some stuff that I actually want and have thought about, or not buy anything at all and just save the $25. I know that that seems really negative on Boxycharm, but I still like it, and if you're a beginner in makeup, this is a really good way to build up a collection and have some options and everything. But for me, I've got so much makeup. I just actually went through a lot of my makeup and put more in my declutter box. So that's it. I'm gonna unsubscribe from Boxycharm. I'm sure that next month's box will be Balm, and I'll wish that I got the box too, but oh well. What can you do? That's it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you got in your box this month, and if you liked it, let me know what you want to see next on my channel, because it's not gonna be Boxycharm. See you in the next one. Bye. So these are, I will see you guys in my next video if you want to see my next video.